Hey YouTube, welcome back to my page. Today I'm here to bring you a quick little cheap hairstyle that's very convenient. All you need is a half a wig and that's about it. It's very quick, convenient, especially for natural girls. Get you a half a wig, something curly, put your little hair out in the front. If you want to, you don't have to blend your hair. Some people wear a band, but it's a half a wig, so you're definitely going to need a little leave out. But stay tuned. I'll be right back. Money on a wig. You don't have to be afraid of wigs. You can wear wigs and be confident and feel like it's your hair. This is another wig. My last video I had a very long one. This one is much shorter. This one is not, no, that one was like basically right out the pack, so I didn't get a chance to play with it and cut it out. But this one has been with me. I've worn it. It's not as worn out as like these kind of wigs you could wear for a while. Like they last long because they're shorter. Like I said, they do nap up and get stuff like kinky and stuff, but these wigs are okay because it's just cuter. This is, you could wear this as a half a wig, I guess, but this is more so like a full wig. It doesn't have a drawstring like I normally like, but this fits really good on my head.
Something like this is super easy to put on.
Excuse my bra. Just focus on the wig. Just play with it. There you go. Super quick. Don't have to do much. I did cut the front. It was super long in the front. Like I cut little bangs into it. Not much, just something. Poof it out as much as you like. This could be like your everyday wig, you know. Like I said, ladies, don't be afraid to wear wigs because they are very convenient. They are a great protective style, especially for my natural girls. We have to protect our hair. They're not that expensive. You know, they range from $20 to $30, $40 depending on where you go and what kind of wig you want. And you know, the more money you spend, the better the quality. By the end of the day, they all serve the same purpose. So go out, try one, see how you like it. Don't be afraid. Rock it like you would rock a $500 sew-in. Do you? And thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you see you next time. Thank you guys.